as oil price spiked up to 115 and then dropped back in a day to 85 range, what's your thoughts on the Bank of Japan interest rate and the reverse carry trade? Also, how high you think XRP price will go before Clarity Act? Can you give a range? Thanks, bro. Depends on the level of implementation and the supply shock. I've kind of gone over the reverse carry trade and my thoughts on oil and all of that multiple times this evening, which I knew I would. I know that's going to be the main question people ask. Still think it's in play. I still think that we could see higher oil prices. Just depends on the conflict there in the Middle East, how long it extends for, if there's, full closure of the strait. I saw something that came out earlier that said that they would allow anybody that shunned Israel and the U.S. to pass through the strait, but anybody else would be sunk. Trump's talking about, taking over the strait somehow. We'll just have to see how things play out. But I'm confident that this is all orchestrated to get the result that we're looking for. And I do think that will happen before the Clarity Act. I think that it might be right before. So, other people are like, well, it happened because of the clarity. I think you're going to see price move substantially before we actually see Congress pass that. Okay, so that's my claim. Now, is it minutes before? Is it hours before? Is it days before? Is it weeks before? I don't know. Okay, but I think it'll be before. Even if it's minutes before, I think it'll be before. And I think that, to be able to facilitate back-end settlement of the stock market, which is what I think they're going to need it for, $100 to $1,000 a piece. That's the range.